It is once again time for some real cruise comments. It is once again time to read what people think and the kinds of questions that people ask. The kinds of questions that sometimes will leave you scratching your head. Welcome to What Every Cruiser Wants. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video, and of course another episode of What Every Cruiser Wants. I got 3 new cruise comments for you today, and they kind of make you wonder, why do people automatically assume that just because somebody wrote it on the internet, it must be true? Why aren't they fact checking? Why would you write in comments about stuff that didn't even happen to you, but you still feel the need to write in a comment? And why do fun things that other people do on cruises, why does it bother you so much? Those are the kind of questions we're going to answer today. And let's do that by starting off with this first comment right here. I am Platinum with Carnival, and one of the perks for that is priority boarding, and we can go directly to our cabin once boarded. Why then do faster to the fun people have their rooms ready? Why do Platinums have to wait to get to our cabin? Now, this is an example of not doing your homework. Nobody right now on Carnival can go directly to their cabins. What the rules actually are is that Diamonds, Platinums, Suite Guests, and those that purchase faster to the fun can go drop off their bag in their room and then leave. That's the current requirements, because the room stewards will still need time to get your room ready. There is always a possibility that a select room here or there may be ready when you board the ship prior to the current around 1:30 time that all the rooms are scheduled to be done. So there is always a possibility you can be in your room ready, but the current rule of thumb, of course, is that all you can do is drop off your bag in your room, and then your room will be ready at 1:30. But this is an example of somebody who read something on Facebook, saw something on Twitter, something along those lines that somebody wrote. You know, Aunt Cruisin' Susie wrote on there, my room wasn't ready, but so-and-so's room was ready, and I feel offended. And now they think this is the way it works. No. If you see something on the internet, if you see somebody putting out information that doesn't come directly from a cruise line representative, fact check your information. Yep, I put stuff out on the internet. Yep, I suggest you fact check everything. Do not simply just take one person's word for it. I've said it once, I've said it twice. You got to know before you go, and this is an example of that. All right, comment number 2. Kind of along the same lines. In this particular case, it didn't even happen to the person who wrote in this comment. They're writing in a comment based because somebody else heard somebody else say this. Didn't even happen to them. So again, you're writing in a comment to complain about something that didn't even happen to you, so you're not even 100% sure if it even really happened. But let's take a look at this one. Being told by reliable sources that if we want to order 2 main courses at dinner, that the wait staff are rudely telling passengers that this is not allowed. Everyone who orders 2 main courses will want them at the same time. So why is this being refused? And there you go. Heard it from a reliable source. And of course, everyone who does this, everyone who orders 2 main courses, they're going to want them exactly at the same time. And the staff in the dining rooms are rudely telling people that this isn't allowed. How many times do y'all come across, as a general rule, wait staff in the dining rooms acting rudely? In my experience, that is a pretty uncommon occurrence. Really don't see the wait staff being rude very often. Yes, on Carnival, you can still order 2 main entrees. If you order a 3rd, there is a charge. And I'm sure if you tell the wait staff you want them at the same time or separately, they're going to take care of you the way you want to be taken care of. But you guys let me know what you think. Does everyone who orders 2 main courses want them exactly at the same time? I could see it if it was a dish like you're making some surf and turf. You would want that at the same time. But if you just wanted to try 2 main dishes, would you order them together? Or would you want them brought separately? Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this comment. And finally, having fun on cruise ships. Look, everybody has fun on a cruise ship in their own way. And one of the ways they do that is they decorate their cabin doors. Now, not everybody decorates your cabin door. It is not a requirement to decorate your cabin door, but a lot of folks do it. A lot of folks enjoy it, helps them find their room, and is just a way to add some fun to your cruise. I'm sure if you guys see any of our videos, Tiffany does occasionally like to decorate our doors, so it is something we do as well. But I got a comment from someone who thinks it should not be allowed. DW and me are on the conquest. So many passengers have decorated their doors for Thanksgiving and other nonsensical reasons. We've never understood why passengers decorate their doors. We didn't decorate our lockers in school either. We've never had an issue locating our cabin even after a lot of drinking, and we consider who is in our cabin and what we're celebrating private business. It also looks tacky and spoils the ambiance of the artwork and ship corridors. I think you will discover that we are both in the majority on this topic. So, what do you guys think? Do you decorate your cabin door? Do you not decorate your cabin door? Do you mind if other people decorate their cabin door? Or do you think it should be not allowed whatsoever? Because according to this comment, they are in the majority. So the majority of you out there think decorating your cabin door is wrong, at least according to them. But I'm not so sure that that is actually the case. You guys let me know in the comments below what you guys think. Are they right? And cabin doors should not be decorated. And that's going to be our video for today for what every cruiser wants. I said, leave your comments below. Let me know what you think about these 3 comments. Are these people right? Are these people wrong? Do they speak for all of us? And do they know how we actually want to cruise? I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.